The opinions expressed in this program are those of the presenter. This station is not responsible for any claims or representations made and does not endorse or recommend any products or services mentioned.
Joe, I think I feel a little green under the gills. How do I look?
You look great, sugar.
I do?
You do?
Let's look outside one last time.
Why don't we do that? Let's take a look outside. By tomorrow morning for breakfast. Did I say
Your scarf there being
Oh, I'm sorry. Thanks, sugar. What's I'm looking now? Did I say breakfast? My breakfast time. Let's eat. I'm sorry. My breakfast time. Partly cloudy sky. And a cold temperature of 31. But don't let those eggs get cold. You know what I'm talking about?
What about our witch's brew?
All about that. I need a doctor is what I need over here. Happy Halloween, everybody.
I don't know where are you going next?
Where am I going next?
To get the heartbeat of America?
I'm getting the heartbeat. Well, call me Dr. Feelgood.
I think this is really catching on. Let's take a look at our control room.
Let's see who's up there. Oh my gosh. That's Count Dracula up there.
Happy Halloween, everybody.
You tell the Colonel and Sonny and Red to bring the Cadillac around. Well, I just think we should get Sonny and Red, bring the Cadillac around and get Mama in there. We'll just keep trick-or-treating on that.
I think that sounds good.
All right. Candy. If I could move, I'd take it back.
Good night, everybody.
Hey, show.